Let's configure the text input component to capture, validate, and transform string data, supporting everything from simple entry to OCR and real-time system integration. Establish the field's identity and its connection to your backend. Enter the text to display the label seen by users and define the grid width. Map the field to a specific AIS control ID for JD Edwards forms. Use the exclude from submission toggle if the data is only used for local app logic or to trigger other services. Use depends on to ensure the field refreshes whenever specific parent controls are updated. Configure how the field behaves and interacts with the user. Set the field as required, read-only, or apply conditional visibility. Use line break to manage row positioning. Toggle Enable OCR to allow text extraction from images, or enable password to mask sensitive data. Use default focus to place the cursor here on load, and enable clear text to add a one-click white button. You can also enable animated field for smoother interactions and disable tabbing to skip this field during keyboard navigation. The text input can automate complex workflows via the trigger service on the update attribute. In the modal, you can select channels and define the operation destination, whether it's a JD Edwards action, a SQL database query, a REST API call, or a Swift object operation. Or you can enable Swift flow for multi-step logic. Use map response to ingest JSON data back into your form and set up redirections or custom messages based on the service success or failure. If using the component for scanning operations, configure the scanned data filtration logic. Choose which grid fields to monitor. If the scanned value matches an existing record, the system will execute your chosen operation, either adding to a numeric value or replacing it entirely. Enable Retain Value in Tracking field to prevent users from modifying a value once it has been set by a scan. For complex strings like QR codes or concatenated data, enable Advanced Data Extraction, JSON. Use path mapping, for example, property.array to pull values from structured JSON strings, key value, define value, and property separators to parse strings like inputting key values. Text. Use regular expressions to extract specific patterns from raw text blocks. Finalize the field's data integrity and aesthetics. Constraints. Apply rules like no special characters, uppercase, or character limits. Use the default value field supporting the @ feature to pre-populate data. Functional tools. Enable copy to clipboard, word count, or smart format detect for emails and URLs. Use clean paste to strip line breaks automatically. Customize the focus border and label colors to change the field's appearance when it becomes active. By combining these layers of configuration, the text input component evolves from a simple text box into a powerful engine for data validation and system automation.